Hey guys, it's Shy and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, guys, I'm so excited. So first and foremost, we are going to be finally playing with the Dawson Mini Controversy palette. My first time playing around with it, but it is my first time playing around with the color portions. So I've really just used these three shades here, like more of these purple vibes right now. This was his collab with Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I have been watching Shane Dawson forever, and I was so excited when this came out. My mom actually landed this for me. The first launch happened. I was like freaking out. All the sites crashed. We all know everything that happened. And then she ended up going on because remember these weren't originally up, and she snagged it for me. I recently went to my parents' house and now I have it. But what's more exciting, and you can thank my mom for this, she picked up a second one for one of you guys. So this is brand new, unopened, still in the packaging that it came in. Just unwrap it a little bit just to show you guys, like, it is the legit mini controversy in there. I'm not gonna open it. It is gonna be for one of you. So stay tuned after the look to find out how you can win your own mini controversy palette. We are starting off 2020 with a bang and a really dope giveaway because they're still sold out and I don't know when the restock again is. Now I know it's not the giant palette, but I think this is a really cool palette on its own. Like these two shades alone you could literally do every day. Today though, I'm really interested in trying out the purples and we are gonna play around. So let's dive in. First thing I'm gonna do is just kind of take my finger and buff out the concealer on my eyes just to make sure we don't have any creases. I already did like part of my base off camera to save us a little bit of time. First thing I'm gonna do though is take my Lexi 209 large shader brush and I'm gonna dig into Cry on My Couch, and I'm gonna use that to just set all over my eye. I cannot use like wet concealer. I don't know why, but it just drives me crazy. So I have to set it. I am so excited. I have not wanted to play around with color in forever, and today I woke up wanting to play around with color. I'm like, it's a perfect day to film the giveaway. So next, I'm gonna actually go into Exposed and start buffing this around my eye. I am going to use my Royal and Langnickel Crease and Smudge Brush. Oh my god, it's so sad, like, cause I'm sure you guys can see that there's like stuff pressed in the pans. Ooh, okay, so that shade is very powdery, just a heads up. That doesn't really bother me, but I do wanna just have this be a thorough review for all of you. And I'm just gonna buff this into the crease. Might not be the best crease color, but it's gonna be a good starting crease shade. I think I'm gonna do a cut crease today. And I'm just really just building this shade up. And since I'm doing a cut crease, I'm not really concerned if it gets on my lid space or not. Perfect. And now I am gonna go in with my AOA Studios E128, and we're gonna dip into Controversy, which is a stark purple. This one is not as powdery as Exposed. Exposed is quite powdery. Again, that doesn't really bother me, but I think it is important to include that in the review. And then I'm just using Controversy to deepen up this crease moment, and I am blending it upward. Okay guys, so this is where we are at right now. All I did to clean up the line was take my sponge and I just kind of pounced it on either side to clean up that space. They're more sisters than twins, but that's okay. This side always gets covered up with my hair anyway, and this is the side that I kind of did a little off. So next, I am now going to cut my crease space, and I am going to use my AOA Studios E131. I love this brush to cut it. And I'm going to use my CoverGirl True Blend Concealer. So first taking the concealer, and you only need a small amount. I love that this has a mirror, it makes it so much easier. And then we're just gonna start, I like to drag it downwards. Okay guys, so we are back and the creases are cut. All I did was take a little bit more of the purple shadow and just kind of blend it through that space so it just blends a little bit better. Now I'm just debating on what to set the lid space with. I think I'm gonna go in with Flat Earth and I'm going to use a flat little brush to do that. Let me make sure there's nothing on this brush. I don't know, I can't tell. Let me use my color switch. Okay, this is my BH Cosmetics number 5 brush, and we're gonna go into Flat Earth. And I am just patting this down. Okay guys, so this is actually looking really, really cool. I'm really into it so far. Underneath the eye, I think that I am going to just do a little bit of Expose, which is that light purple. And I am going to take it on a Morphe E36 brush, which is one of my absolute favorite little baby brushes. So just dipping that in and just starting to buff right underneath. And then I'm gonna dip back into Controversy, the darker purple, and just buff it on the outer portion of the eye, just so it can really tie in what we blew out on the outer portion. See how that just kind of connects it a little bit better. So I think the eyes are almost done. I'm gonna first pop on some liquid liner and I think some Ardell Wispies, so let's do that. All right guys, so I did actually go ahead and just finish the rest of my base off camera as well, and my lips. I just have my Patrick Ta She's Bold lip liner with my Jeffree Star I'm Nude liquid lipstick. So next we're gonna go in for the inner corner moment, and I am going to use, where is it? Ah, there it is. So this is an AOA Studios E134. I love this for inner corner moment because look at how teeny tiny it is. And we are gonna dip into my boyfriend's purse and put that right in here. I think is really gonna complement this look quite nicely. And this is the finished makeup look, guys. I am so re-inspired to play around with color again. I really like the way this turned out. What do you guys think? Let me know. I definitely am gonna be doing another video coming up playing around with the blue color palette. I think the blue is gonna be so cool. And then also the neutral color story. Those will probably be in an upcoming Makeup and Macchiato Monday, so be on the lookout for that. Now, to get into the exciting part, how one of you can win your very own palette. So, on a recent video, one of you actually commented and asked if I would be interested in doing a Q&A, and I was like, oh my god, yes, I've been wanting to do one. So I thought it would be fun. It is a new year. I know I've gotten some new subscribers. Hi guys, thank you so much for joining. And I thought it would be fun to link the two. So to enter the giveaway, all you have to do is thumbs up this video, subscribe to my channel, and comment a question for me down below. Now, it could be anything. It could be anything you're curious about. It could be anything from a lifestyle question to a makeup question, whatever you're curious about. And in the video revealing the winner, I'm going to be going through and answering all of those questions so you guys can get to know me, we can get to know each other, and I thought that would be really, really fun. Now for a bonus entry, you can also do the same thing on my Instagram. I will have a post go up the day that this video goes live, and you would just like that post, follow me on Instagram, and comment a question down below there as well. If you are new to my giveaways, the way that I pick a winner is I literally put down every single person from YouTube who comments and every single person from Instagram, and I put them through a random generator, and that is how it is picked. It is completely at random, so there is no biased anywhere there. And then that's why a bonus entry is kind of important if you have an Instagram, because then you get entered in twice. But regardless, please make sure that you leave either your email or your Instagram handle linked below so that I have a way to either DM or email the winner and get you your product. That's so important. I have to have a way to contact y'all. So don't just leave a comment, please leave also your Instagram handle or your email. Good luck to everybody. The winner is gonna be announced 3 days after this video gets uploaded. So the dates will be down below. And then again, I'm gonna have a Q&A where I'm gonna write down all of those questions and answer them in the video with you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Good luck to everybody. I'm super excited for you guys to get to know me and me to get to know you guys a little bit better as well. And I will see you next time. Bye guys.